Hello friends, welcome back to our channel all about branding. I'm your host Neha Singh. Sorry guys, कुछ 2 हफ्ते के बाद मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ. Actually I was not keeping well. ना कोविड नहीं हुआ था मुझे. Just some seasonal flu. I'm healing heart now. So guys, the topic that I'm going to talk about today is about BTL marketing, which is below the line marketing. So there are 2 forms of marketing precisely. There is another third form of marketing, which is an amalgamation or combination of these 2. So primarily the 2 forms of marketing are, one, above the line marketing, and second is below the line marketing. Above the line marketing is the strategy or the marketing techniques used when a brand wants to communicate or wants to inform about its product or services to the public at large. Not really looking for any feedback. It is a one-way communication. The brand is only talking to or informing the public at large about its products and services, irrespective of the demographics, irrespective of the targeted group. So it is for the general public. Whereas when we talk about BTL marketing is a form of marketing which is used for very specific kind of targeted groups. So the market is broken into smaller parts of the prospective customers and the activities which are designed and performed to actually introduce your product or to take feedback about your product or to interact in any way with those customers of yours, the target group, is called as BTL marketing. So we clearly understand that BTL marketing is a two-way communication which is happening between the brand and the consumer at large. Now the question is, why are we talking only about BTL today and not ATL marketing? In today's scenario, when the branding or marketing budgets have kind of squeezed, but the pressure on marketers has built up a lot in terms of bringing in campaigns which give them more return on investment. The campaigns which are more useful in terms of bringing business to the company. In such scenarios, BTL marketing, which is below the line marketing, automatically becomes choice of each and every marketer for their business. So ATL marketing ROI driven क्यों नहीं होती? क्यों उससे हम पता नहीं लगा सकते कि इस मार्केटिंग कैंपेन ने हमको कुछ रिजल्ट्स दिए हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल, एक शैम्पू का एड अगर आता है, तो ATL के जो एग्जांपल्स होते हैं, जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जहाँ ATL एक्टिविटीज़ करी जाती हैं, जहाँ से हम पब्लिक एट लार्ज को एड्रेस करते हैं. तो पहला है द कमर्शियल एडवर्टीजमेंट्स दैट वी सी ऑन टेलीविजन, ऑन यूट्यूब एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. Then there are advertisements or informations on print media, your newspapers and magazines and other stuff. Then there is one more channel which is the radio, which is one of the good ways to actually reach out to the public at large, the mass at large. अब एक शैम्पू का एडवर्टीजमेंट आया, इस महीने एक नया लॉन्च किया किसी ब्रांड ने, एक नया शैम्पू आया और उसका एक एडवर्टीजमेंट आया जो प्राइम टाइम में, प्राइम आवर्स में जिसके एडवर्टीजमेंट आ रहे हैं. बट फॉर द ब्रांड टू एक्चुअली एनालाइज एंड से दैट द sale of this particular product has increased because of this particular advertisement which we have spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees, and the sale is increased because of this advertisement, is not that viable to say. So a brand can actually not really bring out an ROI model or return on investment model when it comes to ATL, because ultimately we are targeting the public at large. We are not focusing our marketing campaign to the prospective buyers or the prospective customers of our products. Whereas when we talk about BTL marketing, so few examples of BTL marketing are, BTL marketing at first of all is most of the time done at the point of sale or point of purchase area. So in and out point of sale area, whatever activity we do goes to BTL marketing. So we have seen a lot of product sampling or product demo kiosks there in malls. When we walk in malls, we see a lot of them. So there are a lot of people those who actually walk into those kiosks and experience the product, give their feedback and understand their products, even make purchases from them. So this is a very direct way of actually analyzing whether your BTL campaign is giving you the required results in terms of ROI or not. BTL marketing की एक और खूबसूरती है. BTL marketing activities किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में करी जा सकती है, चाहे वो B2B हो विच इज बिजनेस टू बिजनेस, या B2C हो विच इज बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर। सो BTL मार्केटिंग की जो रेलेवेंस है, इट इज नॉट जस्ट कन्फाइंड टू एनी वन स्पेसिफिक इंडस्ट्री और वन स्पेसिफिक मार्केट कि हम सिर्फ B2C में ही ये कर सकते हैं या सिर्फ B2B में ही कर सकते हैं। BTL मार्केटिंग irrespective of your products, your services, your customers, जो भी जिस भी तरीके का आपका बिजनेस है, B2B अपनी रेलेवेंस ढूंढ ही लेता है एंड इट इज द मोस्ट इम्पैक्टफुल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन दैट गिव्स यू रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट। So what are the benefits of BTL marketing? So one very important part is that the activities or the campaigns done under BTL marketing are very easy to evaluate. They actually give you proper return on investment. So they are, choice of every marketer. Also, other than that, since BTL marketing is, it more relies on one-on-one communication between the brand and the consumer. It is a direct point of contact between the brand and the consumer, and hence it increases or it strengthens the relationship between the brand and its consumers. It enhances the brand credibility in the eyes of the consumers. It enables the consumers to actually feel, touch, see your product. So it gives a confidence to any consumer while before using that product, if you can actually use, feel and see that product. It is always said that in marketing, feedback of your customers, of your targeted customers, it is a very, very powerful tool, and this tool is obviously, it comes with BTL marketing only. So if feedback is taken properly and if it is treated seriously, any brand can use this feedback which has been received from its consumers, and it enables and helps that brand to actually improvise and come back in the market with full force and satisfy its own customers. So BTL branding के यही benefits हैं friends, जिसकी वजह से ज़्यादातर brands अपना टाइम, पैसा, एफर्ट्स सब इन्वेस्ट करते हैं टू इंश्योर दैट देयर BTL ब्रांडिंग इज इन प्लेस। चाहे वो हम एक अच्छी साइनेज की बात करें, चाहे हम एक इंटरैक्टिव वॉल्स की बात करें जब हम इन शॉप में एंटर करते हैं। सो दिस इज अबाउट वन फैक्ट, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, और डेफिनेटली जो अच्छा दिखेगा वो अच्छा बिकेगा। आज के लिए इतना ही फ्रेंड्स। आई रियली होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। बाय द वे, सब्सक्राइब किया क्या? अभी तक नहीं किया? प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड। सी यू अगेन, बाय बाय।